Just picked up this diesel heater from, I don't know where. I think it's made in China. So apparently it uses 40 watts max power. It's got a built-in, why? I turned off the light. Perfect. Yeah, I need to set the settings here. Here's the frequency, 1.4 times per second pulse from the fuel pump. I got my fuel tank down here. So far it's pretty good. You have to drill a hole in your wall and make sure it's got at least an inch of good insulation between it and the wall. This does reach temperatures pretty high. Okay, right now it's on low, so you're getting about 77 degrees Celsius on the pipe, and on the outside of the tin foil it's about 30, 35, maybe 40. On max, that almost doubles. Been running it for a while. It's about 5 Celsius outside right now. I can ramp up the pump and show you guys what happens here. 5.4 is max. You listen closely to the frequency of the pump. It's a little air bubble. Starting to pick up speed slowly. It's a pretty controlled burn. Once this heats up, you can't hold your hand there. Even right now, that's gonna burn me. But this gets pumping pretty good. Definitely worth it. I picked it up for about $200 Canadian. Okay, the shell case thing is 61 Celsius at the hottest point, I guess. 70? It hasn't fully warmed up yet. But, hold on. $90 right now. Oh. Inlet temperature 22, 23. Out. About 96. I got it up to 120 earlier. Not bad. $150 on the exhaust there, 160. Ugh. Yeah. Okay, so for fuel consumption, I got a line drawn here. The level's a little bit below. The time is 2:45 right now. I'll be back in a bit and let you know how it's going. Right now it's about 0 Celsius out, and we're sitting at about 15 Celsius in here. I have it turned on 3.6 5.6 pulse per second right now. 5.4 is max. You can change that, but you'll mess up the fuel to air ratio, and you may have problems with soot buildup or whatever. So far, it's been working out great. This is day 5, 6, and I had a day where it was minus 13 out. The wind was 75 km/h gusts, and this thing on full was able to maintain plus 12 in here. So a 25-degree difference, but the wind really kills it. Here's my door to my attic, but I'm insulated in here, so yeah. Okay, now it is 4:53. I've been adjusting this here and there, just I was aiming for a higher temperature, but that's still pretty good. You can almost just be in a t-shirt, but there we go. That's just over 2 hours. It started right where my nail is, and now it's there. On a warmer day, obviously it takes a little bit less gas. I think on maximum, like, I can't see it getting past there. So for 2 hours, maybe just under an inch an hour in this 10-liter tank. Alright, so now it's 9:30 and it's gone down that much. And I got it pretty toasty in here. I had it pretty high the whole time. But I'm hitting lows of minus 15 at night, so it's getting pretty cold out here. So that's not bad.